So now I know that you can understand these sentences, but can you say them? So now I'm going to give you the next version. Now I'm going to say, ¿Dónde está el pájaro? Which is version 1. I'm giving you the word. It's going to be easy. You're going to come up and find the pájaro. ¿Dónde está? Venga a buscarlo. Muy bien, aplauso. So, pretend like you're an actual student who hasn't really learned Spanish yet. So, when I'm going to ask you to speak in Spanish, pretend, try to use your acting skills to pretend like what a child is really going to do. So, dime, ¿cómo es el pájaro? ¿Me puedes decir algo sobre el pájaro? Okay, you see that silence? That's perfect. You see that silence? As soon as you see the student is like frozen or thinking too much or not comfortable especially, you want to jump right in and use a scaffolding technique, which goes like this. Espérate, ¿cuál es su nombre otra vez? Francis. Francis, ¿el pájaro es grande o es pequeño? El pájaro es pequeño.
El pájaro es pequeño.
Dime, ¿el pájaro tiene pelo o tiene plumas?
El pájaro tiene plumas.
¿Y qué hace el pájaro? ¿Qué hace?
Vuela.
El pájaro vuela. Aplauso, aplauso. Okay, so what we're doing there, we're easing into the next version, which is, this version is to develop the speaking skills, right? So what we're doing is we're doing it by building confidence, giving them multiple choice questions, right? And remember, we're repeating the same sentences all the time. So they'll be able to recall it eventually. Once your student is able to say that sentence completely, they've reached that version, they've accomplished that version.